Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button right now. I created a Telegram channel recently, so if you have any questions on any of my previous videos, you can drop your questions in the Telegram group. And if you have any problems you're facing technologically and you need a video made on those problems and how to solve them, please just drop it in the Telegram group. I'm going to be attending to all questions as soon as possible. So today I'm going to be making a video on how you can make money playing games worldwide, because this application I'm going to be introducing in this video actually works everywhere, because it doesn't pay in actual fiat. That's actually actual money. This application pays you in crypto, and currently they only accept two cryptocurrency, that's Ethereum and Popcoin, which also resides on the ARC20 network. So now I'm going to be putting a link in the description that you can use to create a Coinbase account, because this application actually only supports Coinbase for payments for now on Ethereum. So I'm going to be putting a link in the description which you can use to create a Coinbase account. So now I'm just going to be going directly to the application. This application is called Cryptopop. So they, like I said before, they pay only in cryptocurrency, and it's actually very easy to sign up. When you want to sign up, just click on wallet, then you're going to be asked to input your Ethereum mail. Then you're just going to update your account info, and basically that's it. You start earning in Gui. That's is a block of Ethereum. It's just little amounts of Ethereum, and then basically you can just claim 3 times in, I think, a week. So actually they pay very well, and it's a very good application. You can earn anytime, you can play the game anytime. All you have to do is to put your Ethereum address. Then if you want to earn in Popcoin, you just have to register an ERC20 compatible wallet address, and then you just actually just trade Popcoin and you can earn directly in Popcoin. So in the game, actually you just keep breaking blocks to earn units of money. I'm gonna be showing you how. Then there's a lot of ads which they used to make revenue in app, so you're gonna have to um settle with that. Now basically what you just do is you keep breaking blocks to earn money. As you can see, your target is 1000 in this stage, so you have to break blocks and get up to 1000 points before you can proceed to the next stage. So now I'm going to be showing you my earnings in Coinbase, actually, so that you can know that this application is actually legit. Then I actually made this in a week, so it depends on how frequently you play the game. I don't play the game so frequently, so I haven't made a lot. But if you're actually very consistent playing this game, you are gonna make a lot of money from it. Okay, looks like the Coinbase app is slow today. Okay, so basically yeah, it just depends on how frequent you play the game, and that's going to depend on how much money you made. As you can see here, I made $7 and actually got paid in Ethereum. You can see my Ethereum right here. That's $5 Ethereum. Then the others are from other applications that I'm going to be talking about in other videos. But actually their Ethereum pays very well, so I would advise you create a Coinbase wallet, and you get paid in Ethereum instead of Popcoin. So like I said before, I've put a link in the description on how you can create a Coinbase wallet. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, again, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions on this video, you can drop it in the comment section, or you can join the Telegram channel now and drop your questions. I'm always very active there, and I'm going to attend to all your questions. Thanks for watching.